Uy, bago. ITEL A90. Meron siyang IP54 na dust and water resistance, 24 months warranty. Probably one of the first one sa kanyang price segmentation. And meron siyang 4 plus 8 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage. Guys, grabe oh. Sipin mo, itong phone na ito, and balita ko guys, no, this is a very affordable na phone from ITEL. And reading some of the specs dito sa likod, meron siyang 90 Hz of screen refresh rate, 5,000 na kanyang battery, meron siyang super HDR camera ng 13 MP. And, well, let's just see what we have inside. And we have yung phone itself. Then, if you further open it, we have your charging brick. Nandito rin ang kanyang charging cable. We also have yung panundot niya, SIM ejector pin. We also have yung kanyang, well, quick start guide. And this one is a good one. So, this looks good. Yan. No. Very nice looking MagSafe, no? Pero honestly, nung ginagano ko, parang wala namang bakal dito, no? Well, yeah. It's just for design, no? Para magmukhang meron kang MagSafe, no? Sa likod. And of course, it's just simply open this one. Tingnan natin yung tsura niya, no? How good it is. And, uy, not bad, no? Ganito yung tsura niya. So, pakita ko sa inyo na maayos. Now, looking quite solid naman itong phone na ito. And alam naman natin, mukha siyang iPhone, yung kanyang camera module. Pero halos flat siya, no? Halos kunting-kunti lang kanyang protrude, no? So, hindi masyado umbok ITEL na logo nila dito. We have yung ayun, meron pa siyang audio jack ko, panalo, Type-C port. Nandito ka ng fingerprint scanner, of course, your volume rocker sa ibabaw, malinis. And nandito kayang SIM tray, which we can expand din as well with a micro SD card. And this is how it looks like. Though medyo makapagkunti ka ng bezel and it still sports a teardrop notch for 2025. Not really a fan of that. And okay naman so far. Been testing it for the past 24 hours and smooth naman ang kanyang performance. So naka maging problema if you're just using this for daily day-to-day basis, no? So right now, let me take a quick snap dito. No? Honestly, yung kanyang shot is not bad for a price point like this one. No? Pag zoom in mo, kita pa rin mga words. And yeah, you'll be surprised, no, na not so bad ang kanyang camera. Guys, if you want more details about this phone, si ITEL A90, syempre kailangan nyo mag-follow sa akin para malaman ninyo the full review nito phone na ito, which is going to come pretty soon. So don't forget to subscribe. And kung gusto nyo bumili, don't forget to check the yellow basket.